guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for visiting my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna share a step-by-step tutorial of how I created this glam look. So keep on checking out this video. So don't forget to tie your hair before starting your makeup, क्योंकि बाल मुंह पे नहीं आना चाहिए. So firstly I'll start with prepping my skin, and this is the primer from Color Bar. This is the Farsali oil. I really like this product. It gives a glass finish to your skin and it gives a very strong base to your makeup. The makeup looks so smooth and shiny. So this is a product I completely swear by. After that, I'm going to apply some toner. I'm using the toner from Forest Essentials. So for the base, I'm using this MAC Studio makeup. I generally prefer using the foundation which is one tone lighter than my skin color, because usually the makeup tends to oxidize on my skin. And I'll use this beauty blender. I'll slightly dampen it and I'll slowly blend and blend and keep on blending till your hand will start paining. So after loads and loads of blending, this is the result. After that, I'm using this concealer from Miss Claire. This is a high coverage concealer. By God's grace, I don't have too much of dark circles, but yeah, it will kind of highlight your underneath your eyes. So applying a very good concealer is very important. I'm again gonna take the same beauty blender and keep on blending. Then I'm gonna set all my makeup with this loose powder from Natio. It is very important to set all the concealer and foundation. Yeah, I did my brows offline. And I'm going to start with my eye makeup. So this is a very whitish kind of powder for my base. After that, I'm going to build up my crease area with a slightly darker tone. And then I'm going to create a black smoky eye. For that, I'm going to first start with the gel liner. This is the gel liner from Maybelline. And I'll just draw sharp lines, rough lines. After that, I take a fluffy brush and start on blending the gel liner. And after that, I'll set it with the black eyeshadow from Maybelline palette. I simply love that palette, by the way. It is a nude palette from Maybelline. After that, I'm gonna curl my lashes with the mascara. I'm using Benefit Cosmetics mascara. Don't forget your lower lash line also. I will slightly smudge my lower lash line and apply some brown eyeshadow to give the kind of a smoky look. And I have applied my false eyelashes. After that, this is the look. Next up will be this Hoola. This is a contour kit from Benefit Cosmetics yet again, and I simply love this product. This just gives the subtle contour on your face, and it is really like, you know, for light contouring it is really good. Next, from this Maybelline palette, I'm gonna take some blush and smile and apply some blush on the apples of my cheek. After that, I'll take this highlighter from MAC, and I simply love this product from MAC. It is really good. I'll apply in all the portions which need some highlighting. Don't forget the brow bone and the corner of your eyes. I'll take a slightly pinkish shade of lipstick. I'll actually mix two color of lipsticks. One is slightly pinkish and this one is a nude from Maybelline. And after that, you can see my look is ready. So guys, do let me know in the comments if you liked my transformation. And also, if you want to know about the products, then let me know in the comments if you want to know about the products and from where to buy it. Then I can definitely help you guys. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.